All right, our third problem says that Renat and Joseph are comparing the songs they have on Spotify. Renat's playlist has 37 more than twice as many songs as Joseph's playlist. And we want to write an expression with one variable in simplest form that represents the total number of songs. So we're trying to represent the total number of songs between their two playlists, Joseph's plus Renat's. Actually, let me just write that because I basically just said it already. Joseph's, I'm going to label that as J, plus Renat's songs adds up to my total. So I'm almost there, actually. This is an equation. I just want to write the expression. So I really am just concerned about this part of it. I'm trying to write an expression with one variable. So that's the big problem here. I have two variables. I'm labeling Joseph's as J and Renat's as R. I really need that in terms of one variable. And that's where my fact here is going to come in handy. So Renat's playlist. So I'm just going to say Renat songs are 37 more than twice Joseph's songs. Oops. So that's really just taking this information and just rewriting it. Now I'm going to take that and rewrite it in terms of a math sentence. So Renat's songs are 37, actually this word, or has, or is, that's really telling me that there's an equal sign there. Because I'm saying that this amount, Renat's number of songs, is the same as whatever's coming next. So Renat's songs, I'm going to say that's R, are equal to 37 more than twice Joseph's songs. So if I have 37 more than something, that means I'm starting out with something and I'm adding 37 to it. So 37 more than is this plus 37 part, and the beginning part is this number, twice Joseph's songs. I don't actually know what that number is, but if I'm labeling Joseph's songs, actually let me label that here. Joseph's songs I'm labeling as J, Renat's I'm labeling as R. This is 37 more than twice, 2 times Joseph's songs. So really here I've written an expression that represents Renat's number of songs in terms of Joseph's number of songs. Twice Joseph's plus 37 is the same thing as Renat's. Now my application is actually just going to be to combine these two. So this is the big step. I want to get this in terms of just one variable. So instead of having the J and the R here, if I know that R equals this, I can replace this R with this expression. So I'm going to keep that part the same, J plus Renat's songs, or this expression. So instead of that R, I'm putting this expression in place of that, because those two things are the same. They're equal to each other. And actually, the only application I really need to do is combine like terms. That would give me 3J. 1J plus 2J is 3J plus 37. That is the expression that represents the total number of songs. So I guess my solution statement could be the total can be found by adding 37 to 3 times the number of Joseph's songs. So once I find out Joseph's number of songs, then I can actually find the total using that expression.